Here's my order from Braumach. It arrived 2 days after the order was placed from Interstate in 2 boxes, the wheel itself and the jack kit. This is my electric BMW iX1. Its current model, built and delivered in 2024. It doesn't have a spare wheel and it's not fitted with run-flat tires. So it only has the repair kit, which I think is not guarantee you full peace of mind on long trips. So I decided to buy a Braumach Spare. And here what I've got. The wheel itself comes with nice cover. Here, beauty. Has handle to carry around, and it comes with heavy-duty scissor jack, ratchet handle, pair of gloves, telescopic wheel brace with 2 sockets, basically it's 4 sockets, different sizes, they're 2-sided, a jack pad to protect the jacking point from damage, and emergency sign that folds in this nice case. And that's basically it. Okay, now taking wheel off. You can do it with your fingers with this socket, but I just, to make my life easier and quicker, use this driver. And the spare wheel goes on. It's well centered and aligned with the holes. So just lower. And don't forget to tighten it properly. That's it, we are ready for the test drive. just going up to 80 k's per hour. No vibration, going straight line, even though the wheel on the front, but that there is no anything that tells you it's wrong wheel. So everything is fine. Again, 79. And that's all. Thank you very much, Braumach. Or Braumach. And finally, all packed. Wheel brace and jack goes in the bottom section of the boot with the charging cable. And the wheel, as I said, the handle is very handy. It takes a bit of boot space, but I think it's a little sacrifice for peace of mind I now have. Thank you again.